You have a mosquito on your head.
Mom, am I on mute?
No.
Ano hanola na ike kana o ko kapa ula ka po ohiwi e o lala na ia ko ulua au he akuma ko e o mai o e ola.
Mahalo nui. E noho kako. Sorte kudasai.
You give me water on this.
You, as we're reviewing, you can look for the cards that we're talking about. Yeah? And I have them laid off here too. ʻŌlelo kako, let's all say maka. You can unmute your mic. I want to hear your voices. Maka.
Hi. Maka. Maka.
ʻŌlelo kako, pepeia.
Pepeo. 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 Pepeo.
Okay, so maka. Okay.
Wait.
Let's wait for Isaac, folks. Aloha, Isaac. Hi, Esther. In here.
Maka.
Okay, maka, right? Me, maka. Pepeao.
Pepeo. Pepeo.
Mini. Pepeao. Waha.
Hi. Oh. Wow.
Waha.
No.
What is nana mean?
Look.
Look.
Miru. Nana. Ah, my kai, okay. Olohe.
Listen.
Okay, let me hear the ʻŌlelo Hawaiʻi. Kawawai ʻole. Olohe. Can you say that?
Ho'olohe.
My kai, olohe.
No.
Ana.
Work with hands.
Right? Or ana nalawaiʻa, yeah. Or ana maka makikeʻena. Ana. Ohana shigoto. Shigoto. Ana. Ai.
What does I mean?
So you gotta grab the big hamburger and like you like to say here.
AI.
Taberu. Ai.
Eat.
Ai, follow me. Eat. Ai.
Nana kamaka.
Ana kamaka. Nana kamaka.
Eyes to see.
Eyes to see.
Ai. Can I hear the ʻŌlelo Hawaiʻi? You guys want to say that Hawaiian? Nana kamaka.
Maka. Nana kamaka.
Ai. Ho'olohe kapepeao.
Kapepeo. Listen.
Ai. Ho'olohe
Pepe. The volume is on so I can.
What does anakamaka ho'olohe kapepeao? What does that mean?
What does Nana? No.
Oh, Waioli, where you ask? Right there. So nana.
Look with your eyes, listen with your ears.
Anakamaka ho'olohe kapepeao. Look with your maka, listen with your pepea. In other words, pay attention. Yeah? Pay attention. ʻŌlelo kako, somebody want to read for us? Heru. Yonde kudasai.
Right,
Hana Kalima.
Hana Kalima.
Hana Kalima.
E wa shigoto.
Here, because I don't know how it looks.
Ai. Can somebody help him for us?
Aikawaha.
Ah,
Aikawaha.
oi, subarashi. Aikawaha. Aikawaha.
Aikawaha.
Ima, uchi, taberu. Aikawaha. Oh. What does hana kalima and aikawaha?
Ka is the, lima is
Hana kalima.
nine.
Aikawaha.
Is the, is the.
Eliza, I'm gonna ask your help a lot today because you were not at all.
Here
You know
first.
what hana kalima aikawaha means?
You have to work with your hands so you can eat with your mouth.
Ah, like that. Aole hana kalima, aole lai aikawaha. If you don't like shigoto shimasen, but if you don't work, you don't eat. Work with your hands, eat with your mouth. Hana kalima. Can you guys show me the motion? Hana kalima. Hana kalima.
Hana Kalima. Aikawaha.
Your hands. Dewa. Aikawaha. Aikawaha. Missy kawa Waioli. Aikawaha. Oh, she's literally. Oh,
Aikawaha.
Mama, don't.
Ola.
and on Po'alua on Tuesday, we learned a new Ola. Oh, we never came up with a motion for Ola. What's a motion for Genki, for help? Ola. Oh, was it this? Was this the motion? Okay, Ola.
Ola.
Ola. Kanaka. How about Kanaka for person? What is that?
Anaka.
Ren.
Hito wa Kanaka desu. What is a good motion for a person? Oh, like this? Okay, Tanaka. Or you guys will be. Okay, Tanaka. Okay. Oh, Tanaka. Aina. Oh, I only. Do you know the hula for land? How do we show the land?
Aina.
What is the land? The hand motion.
Land. Is it like this or like this? Aina. Or you can show the mountain. Aina. Oh, Aina. My God, Aina is the land. I forget the which is how. Suchi? I forget the word for land. Ain. Yeah, Ain. What does ola ke kanaka mean? Ola ke kanaka.
Means you're like healthy.
Genki, eh? Genki. Hito wa genki desu. Ola ke kanaka.
It means healthy person.
Ah,
Good life.
oh, I forgot. Ola ka aina. What does ola ka aina mean?
Healthy land.
Ole.
Or live life.
Like, no, not live life.
Ola ka aina, ola ke kanaka. Healthy land, healthy.
Body equal.
People.
Healthy land, healthy people. What does that mean? Ola ka aina, ola ke kanaka.
Well, like if you keep your land clean then the air will stay clean and you need air to breathe. So if it's bad air that you breathe, then you won't be healthy.
Ay, akamay aloha. Oh, so proud of you guys. Akamay. Ola ka aina, ola ke kana. O ma'i ma'i ka aina, o ma'i ma'i ke kana. Yeah. Okay, so we have 2 sayings that we learned. Nanakamaka, 3, yeah. Nanakamaka, ho'olomaka pepiao. Anakalima,
Aikawa.
work with your hands, eat with your mouth. Oh, and then the last one was ola ka aina, ola ke kana. Healthy land, healthy people. Okay, we're gonna move on to the new part that we're adding today. Did everybody find the cards for ola, kanaka, aina? Do you guys all have those words? Yeah, I'm gonna turn off my share screen. You can look at my other screen. You guys see the card?
Islam, Kanaka.
You can the card. I'm gonna find non. We're gonna add 2 words. The words we're adding today. Ono. Oh, my cut, Isaac. My cut. Joseph. Ono.
Thank you.
Good, delicious.
Oh. My cut kawawaiwali. Which one comes first? Ola ka aina. Ola ka
Aina.
ma'a aina maka tepeo. Does everybody have all of these cards?
Aina.
That is the
Oh, mahalo to Isaac. He remembered to use ka and ke. Oh my God.
one. Here, ola. Ka. Aina.
Ay, ola ka.
Aina.
Ola ka aina.
Ola or ola e kana. My kai. Today, let's add a new word. Ono and ai. Oh, actually, we have ai. Sorry. Ono and mai kai. Mai kai. Mai kai.
Where's ono?
We all have this. Does everybody have mai kai?
Oh no, oh no.
Mai kai yokata. Mai kai. When you finish, it's gonna be fun. For you. Okay. Ono. Does everybody have ono? These are our new cards for today. Plenty cards, yeah. Kapaila, kaputepa. My kailo, look at all the words that you guys learned so far. My kai. Ooh, you're all in. Okay, olomo kako, yeah. Let's move forward. Olomo kako. Okay. ʻŌlelo kako, mai kai. You cannot say it has to be big. Mino akas, kaya big and go Mai kai. I want to hear it. Can I hear you guys say Mai kai?
Mai kai.
Mai kai.
Mai kai.
Mai kai.
Mai kai.
Mai kai.
Good.
Mai kai wa
Good.
yokatta. Ii yo. Mai kai.
Good.
Tell me I or aole. I or aole. Mai kai. Mai kai ke. Aole. Hiloi opa. Hiloi. Ole mai kai.
Littering is bad for the earth.
Ai. Oma ima ika ai. Ole ola ka ai. Hiloi opa. Yeah. Mai kai. Ole mai kai.
Mai kai.
Ai mai kai loa. Yeah. Malam ai. Malam ka ai. Mai kai. Yeah, mai kai. Ole mai kai. Ole paham kai. Allah he kai dio. Ai ka irio ka panipuka. Ole mai kai. Yeah, mai kai. Mai. Ole mai kai.
Mai kai. Like my kai. My kai.
Puro mai kai.
Mai kai ke.
My kai.
So Akamaya the cake. She said, oh, she's a little bit there, but she know how to clean up already. Manika. I'm Malamakahali. Olelo kako, let's all say Mai kai.
My kai.
Mai kai loa. Mai kai. Oh, Emmeline, I didn't hear you, I don't think. Can you say Mai kai, Emmeline? Oh, Mai kai. Okay, so we have our motion for Mai kai. Ono. What does ono mean? Ono.
Delicious.
Oh, oishi, oishi,
Delicious.
oishi o ono.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Ono. What is our motion for ono? Kuhi kuhi kalima.
モーションの美味しいモーション。どういう動きなの？オノの
Ka oku eh?
こうかね。
On.
みんなどうやってやってる？
Okay, tell me I or aole. Ono. I aole.
I.
Ono ka hampoka.
Delicious. So, do they think that's delicious?
Ono. Ono. I aole ono. Aole ono ka hamburger. Awe, she should have bought this one. Yeah. Ono ka hamburger. Ono. Ay, ono. Aole ono ka hamburger. Awe. Yeah, ono. Ono. I aole.
Oh. No.
Yeah. Ono. Ono.
It.
Ono.
No.
Aole ono. Yeah.
Not good.
Aole ono. What do we think if hana means to work and ai means to eat? What does this mean? Mai kai ka hana. Ono ka ai.
If you, I think it means like if you're making food and you do a good job, it's good.
Hi, polole. Oh, kawa waioli. Did you understand? Can you try to explain what does mai ka'i kahana?
Good.
Kawa
My God, good,
Good work.
good,
And what does
good
ona
work, good work.
what does
Good
ona
to eat.
Food, food are delicious.
Good means
Like
yummy to eat.
good work. Food is delicious.
Hi, mai ka'i. Good work. Yummy food. Oh, mai ka'i. Mai ka'i kahana. Ono ka'ai. Mai ka'i kahana. Ono ka'ai. Oh, you guys are so advanced. You guys learn so much. So akamai. I'm gonna give you a longer version of this. So let's see if we can say it. Can I hear you guys say? Let's take turns. Eliza, Emeline, you guys wanna try saying? Can you say mai ka'i kahana? Ono ka'ai.
My kai kahana.
Ono ka'ai.
My kahana.
Ono kai.
Ay, mai ka'i lo. Woo. Mai ka'i. Oh, akamai oto. Mai ka'i. You think we can add more words to that? Let's put lima in there and waha. Okay. Mai
My kai kahana. My kai kahana aka. Lima. Ono kai aka. Waha.
Ono ka'ai kawaha. Oh, polole. He ʻŌlelo. This is something our kupuna would say, yeah? Mai kai kahana kalima. Ono ka'ai kawaha. May kaisahana kalima ho ono ka'ai kawaha. Can I hear it? Can you say it with that? Gotta give it that feeling, huh? Oh, good.
Kahana.
Kalima.
Ono
Oh, my kai. Ola ka ʻŌlelo na kupuna. My kai lo. Aha. May kahana kalim ono ka'ai kawaha. Okay, I want you to give me a yes or a no, eh? I or
Yes or no question.
here. Mai ka'i kahana akalima. Mai ka'i.
Aole.
Aole. Aole mai ka'i kahana. Oh, wait, kapulu. Oh, look, everything all spilled, so messy.
It also says on her vesting, best cook
Ever.
All right, polole. How is the food gonna taste? Ono ka'ai.
because it's all mixed up.
Aole ono ka'ai. Aole mai kai kahana kalima. Aole ono paha ka'ai. Oh. Mai kai kahana akalima. Ay aole. Mai kai kahana akalima. Aole mai
Aole.
Luhika anti. Kaya ono ka'ai.
Aole.
What
Yeah, right now.
wait, aloha no. Nobody gonna eat her food. Ole paha mai kaya. Oh, pehe. Mai kai kahana kalima.
I.
Ai. No, enana ike.
Also out.
Oh, mai kai ke. Pehe. Mai kai kahana kalima. Pehe. Ono ka'ai. Ono. Ai. Ono loa. Mai kai. And help me too, huh? Oh.
No.
Oh, her hand. My kai kahana kalima, her hands is doing good work. Ono ka'ai kawa. Oh, Obaikeia. Do you guys know? Anybody know who this is? Obaikeia. このあの人は
はい。
名前は何ですか？Sam Choi. Do you guys know who Sam Choi is?
No.
Oh, Anakala Sam Choi is a famous chef. Like,
Of chef?
hi.
Of
My Kaika his hand. Look how perfect his work is. Oh my lord. What do you guys think? Ono ka ai? Ai or
I
my Kaika hana kalima ono ka ai?
Nさんなんで答えないの？じゃんずっと。みんなで答えて。
So far, we talked about cooking. You cook when you use your hands, with your hands. Then, oh, ono ka ai. But how about maki ai? Or how about lawai? Looking at the work they're doing with their hands, tell me, ai or aole? Mai ka ika hana akalima. Aole mai ka. Kaya. Mai ka ika hana akalima.
I.
Ah, mai
I.
ilo. Alam mo rin aloa eh. Mai ka ika hana akalima. Peha ke kalo. Ono, ono.
Oh no.
Look how
You
green
can
and
make it
bright it is.
boy.
Oh yeah, ono ka poi pahay. Ono ka poi.
Boy.
Oh, ai. Oh, me too. Ono au ika poi. Like poi. Oh, ono eh. Ono ka poi. Hey Isaac, did you eat poi before? Poi o
Me?
tabemashita? Sabeta poi.
The homemade one, like
You
you
did.
just smash.
Yeah, with the poha.
Yeah.
Hey, hell.
Yeah.
Ono.
I
Ono
did
ka
it at the fair.
Ay, polole. Yeah, I remember.
That was good, but I don't like how it was like really like crunch, like had some bits of the color.
Oh. Isaac, wakarimashita? Satoimo.
Yeah.
Satoimo.
Kalo.
Ah, kalo, eh. Kalo o taberu. You eat kalo. Ai ke kalo. Oh. Ai, onno ke kalo. Okay. So does everybody have a peppa, a paper, penny kala, a pencil, or kala? You guys have? Okay, this is our final project. So we learned. Oh wait. Oh, this one you have. Okay, perfect. We learned four new sayings. Nanakamaka. Oh, let's read it. Actually, let's read it. Can you guys read for me? What is our first saying in the ula read? Raise your hand. Who can read that? Okay, Eliza.
Nanakamaka ho'olohe kapepeao.
Look with your maka, listen with your tail. How about the next one in the green? Midori. Midori wa yonde kudasai. Anybody?
Wait, which one?
The green on the bottom.
Oh. Ola.
We'll take it one sound at a time, yeah? Ola, what is the ka? Yeah? Ola ka.
I don't know what the next word after ka is.
Maika ilo. That sound is aina. Aina.
Ola ka aina. Ola ke kanaka.
Maika ilo. Oh, Maika. And I love that your eye noticed that letter A, that is different from the other one. Yeah. It has a little scratch mark, and then a line. Yeah. That gives it a long sound. Aina. Ola ka aina. Ola ka kana. Okay. When the healthy land, healthy people. Kaua waioli. Can you hello? Can you hello for us? The blue.
見て書いてある。
Hello.
この本が書いてある、さっき。
Waioli. Can you read for us?
さっきのなんか、オラカアイナなんちゃうんって書いてる。
You don't have to do this. I do. No,
Oh, can you hear me?
オラカアイナってさっき言ってた。なんだか。
Kaua waioli. Can you hear me? Can you read for us the blue? You can pick either the short one or the long one.
Which one?
Let's do the
Wait,
first one.
what?
Can you read for us the blue, the letters in blue? Hana,
Hana,
Ka,
ka,
lima,
lima,
I,
I, ka, waha.
Mike.
waha.
What does that mean?
Mike,
Oh.
ka, hana,
Mine.
e,
Hmm.
ka, ma, lima,
言ってんの
o, ka,
I,
I, e, ka, waha.
Oh, kaua waioli. High five. Mai ka ilo. Mai kai. Awe. High five. Hey, mai ka ilo. Chehu. Oh, that was mai ka ilo. Wow, she read both of them. Oh, your ʻŌlelo hova is so mai kai. Wow. Nana kamaka holohe ka pepe.
ママだけわかんない。
Ana kalima.
聞かれたらわかんないっていう。聞かれたら。
Ola kaina, ola ke kana. Yeah.
And
So I want to ask you guys, can you take on your paper? I want you to pick one of these things. Pick one of the boxes and draw a picture that shows what it means. You think you can do that?
So
Draw a
draw
picture.
word
These and figure out what it means.
you already make with your hands and then you eat it, right? With your mouth.
All right, that's
So
good.
draw a picture with you. No, just pick this one.
why? Oh, wait,
Yeah.
what's
See with
that
the
one?
eye.
When do
See here.
the word to that one? This one. So that means, what should I do?
Okay. Choose a saying, choose one of the words, and draw. What is the word for draw? So kaite kudasai. Kaite. Then draw.
Draw something for the flashcard.
You can pick either one. The red, the blue, or the green. Which one do you understand?
絵を描いて。
The blue is so you can draw. Does that make sense, Isaac?
Does it make
That
sense?
makes sense.
分かってると。
Wakata.
Look, yeah,
I got it.
I got it.
Good. Good.
絵を描いてって一個選んで。
And then Emmeline, Esther, if you want something easier, pick one or two words and draw a picture. Yeah. You can draw maybe Kanaka or Aina. Maybe you can draw Aina. Shoro Aina. Yeah. Ola ka Aina.
だからごめん、2つだって。例えば、オラカアイナって書けばいい。オラカってどう？なんか、形容詞使うところだと思う。オラカアイナ。オラカってどうだ？えっちゃんもあれのせいに、あれじゃない？いや、あれとこれ書けない。えっちゃんも何して書けない。
Do you have a shirt?
オラカアイナ、オラカカナカに。いいじゃん。えっちゃん、オラとオラカでいいじゃん。
Sure.
これはいらない。絵を描くの。絵を俺が描いて、元気な人と人々を描ける。元気な人。 きます。
なんでどうなの？
いいよ。真ん中に置いてかずに。
ここはやったの？
今日の文章。早く書きなどんどん。元気って書く。そんな真似して書かなくていいんだよ。元気のマークだけ書けば。文章を作るから見ておくと。ママ書いてるのか。
Wow.
They should all have this.
Wow, did you guys all get this? Huh?
Yes, we got it.
Yes, we got it.
Nui. Nui nakala. Huh? Whoa. Wow. Oh, what happened? Did I knock us out? Okay. Wow, so
ほら、かなかだよ。まだ元気な人々だよ。
oh, mahalo, eh,
Ora
pero
ka
yala,
na.
eh.
Ora ka na no ki. Ora ka da. Ka da ka. Ora ka na ka. Ora ka.
Oh, yeah, honestly, yeah.
Yung din, wala pa lang ka.
Ora ka. Ora ka.
But then you can't see. Yeah? Oh, my God. I have. Wow, so you guys can use your set if you want to. Yeah, oh, Hana.
それ使っていいよ。
ʻŌlelo, mouth artist. Likin herb con. Oh, I'll call next herb con. Did you guys have a fun time with Anakala Travis? You went to the workshop? I saw a lot of you guys painting the story of Ai. And it's oh yeah, that pohaku is amazing. Anakalim. What am I gonna draw?
書いてみます上に。人の顔も描きます。人の顔めっちゃ色塗りが人の顔。
Anakalim na ay kawa. How are we doing it, Eliza? Oh, my God. Who's that?
This is the thing that we painted for the workshop.
Sorry, Emily, I can't hear you for some reason.
Me too.
One more time. Who is that? Oh, wow. Sugoi, Isaac, my God. You guys remember that story? I'm not that good at remembering stories. You guys know? What is that story about?
例がなかった。本。
What is that story about?
本。
No. Oh. And where is that one?
貝で、貝。ソフトボール。貝だ、貝。
Oh, hey.
我的心子。
You guys should have
色
more
の
about
色の
the one.
塗れないよ、ささっと。
You guys hear the story about the one?
姉ちゃん。
Yeah.
What is the story? Can you help me remember? I can't really remember.
So it's like where this man he threw a stone like into the ocean and then it washed back up. And then when it washed back up, it turned into a turtle.
Oh,
And he was on the nutty. So I think that place is where the turtles lay their eggs.
oh. Was that Holy?
どこかからないと塗れないよ。反射して。
I don't know.
ね。
Wow.
ペンで。
Wait, was that the first turtle?
ペンで。
Yeah, I think so.
太く書かないとね。
Oh yeah, the first turtle.
ペンでババン。
Was that just some? Who was that? Was it just some person?
I forgot his name.
But he had a name.
Yeah.
Was he like a regular person, or did he have some special abilities or something?
I think he was some special fisherman.
Oh, like he took care of the fishes or something, yeah?
Maybe.
Okay. That kind of sounds like I.
Yeah.
I really like that story. I like how it mentions how when he remembers, I think he's remembering his mom and dad. Something like that.
I think he was like worshiping the spirits of his mom and dad.
Giving honor, like honoring them.
Yeah.
You remember how?
I know.
Was he using a voice maybe, or?
I think it was like I don't really remember.
Yeah, hey, mana.
いい感じ。じゃなくて。
It's really beautiful in ʻŌlelo language,
はい。第一。
and we can make
ハ
wonderful
ワイの
things
人
like
のこと
that.
もさせみたいな。
That's our ʻŌlelo. Okay, how's our drawings going?
めっちゃ見たいね。How's drawing going? 見せたね。
What did you guys pick? What saying did you pick?
See. Well, I picked Ola Ka'aina Ola Ke Kanaka.
Okay. And what are you drawing?
So up here, I drew like healthy land, and then on here I drew a healthy person.
Oh,
え
wow.
じゃあマッスルっていうね、マッスルとピープルっていうの。
So what did you draw, Esther?
書いたね。
Muscle and people.
This one, yeah.
Painting.
I'm making boy.
Is that you, Hawaiʻi?
My hands.
Yeah. Can you show your drawing?
ほら、かな。
Hola, Kanaka.
I'm not gonna finish with it though.
Okay.
But I didn't draw the hands yet because the hands are hard to
I know.
draw.
I had my first drawing and I kind of covered it because I thought, oh, I don't like my hand. I might do another one. You know.
絵で描いてもいいかな。
Right now I'm making a carpet for the
ほ
pool.
ら、ペンで描いて。ほら、ほらと愛。
Okay, let's take a few minutes then.
ほら、ほら。
Yeah, okay, so everybody got a chance to write it down. I'm gonna take down the screen.
Yeah.
Okay,
ほら、
when you're ready.
ほら、なんか。
So for this part, I want us to share. I want to ask you to share just a little bit, just show a little bit of your drawing, or at least you can share your idea, talk about it. The rest of us can mute our mics, so then that person's camera. I'm gonna mute. Who wants to go first? Eliza, you wanna go first?
So we share what we draw.
Yeah, show your drawing, kind of explain what you drew. And
Okay.
I'm gonna ask everyone else.
So up here, I drew a healthy environment. And down here, I drew a healthy person. And I drew them because if you live in a healthy environment, your body will be healthier.
Alright, my type. So how do we say that in Hawaii?
Ola ka aina. Ola ka na.
Oh, my five, Eliza. My five, oh, my five. Okay, who wants to go next? Isaac, you want to share your drawing?
This one is muscle. This one is land.
Wow, so good. Chikara, eh? Chikara.
Muscle.
Oh, so good. Oh, you're a very good artist. Wow, those arms are proportionate. How about you, Esther? What did you draw? Oh,
ほらか愛。
Ola ka
違
aina.
う、肩が。そうかな。
hola. Oh my God. Oh, look at the people. How all in a pot. My God. My God. My God, yes. My God.
ハイファイブだって。
Stay.
ハイファイブだって。
My God. Okay, my God. Say, kawaii. Come on. Well, you want to just talk about yours? I know you're doing.
みんなのも見たのかな。
Looks like Kaua took a break. Okay, mahalo. Kaua was drawing Anakalima Aikawa. Okay, mahalo. Mahalo to you guys for coming to all of these workshops and learning your ʻŌlelo Hawaiʻi. You guys actually learned some very ancient, old sayings from the book. And in those sayings, there's so much to learn, so much wisdom. Just in those 3 words, anakalima. There's so much to understand about working hard and doing things in the right way. Ono ka'ai, not just our food, but when we do good work, then we see good results too. So mahalo, mahalo, mahalo. And mahalo, Eliza, you are really great alaka'i today, though you explained the ʻŌlelo. Mahalo. And we all have our cards. So on your cards, you have instructions for 2 different games, yeah? For Go Fish and for Mai Puina. Iti Alua'a and Mai Puina. If you want some help learning how to play Mai Puina, you can watch the video. Any other questions? Any ideas? Anything you guys picked up or learned today? Okay, my kailo, I'm very proud of you. Kupuna, I'm very proud of you. Because of you, ola ka ʻŌlelo, ola ola. The language is alive. Yeah?
Thank you for doing this class.
Oh, mahalo yaʻoko. Oh, I'm so proud of how far you guys learned. And today I spoke a lot of Hawaiian, but you guys are understanding. My kailo. Okay, ahui ho kako.
Emily and Eliza, can you guys stick around real quick? Is your dad around? Okay, bye everyone else.
Aloha
Thank
kako.
you.
Ahui ho.
Stop the
Mahalo
recording.
ka ʻŌlelo.
Mahalo.